We are coming for you. Police commissioner sends strong warning to criminals amid surge in murders. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, water war. Councillors in one municipal corporation upset about unequal distribution. And Labor Day consensus, a display of unity at National Project in Kingston. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.